In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an email signature in Zoho Desk. This is a simple but powerful customization that adds a professional and personal touch to every reply you send. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile or personalization option. This is where you manage your personal settings. From there, click on Preferences. Inside the Preferences section, look for the option that says Email Signature or Add Signature. Click on it and you'll see a text box where you can create your signature. Now, type in the signature you want to use. This can include your name, job title, company name, contact details, or even links if needed. Keep it clean and professional so it looks good on every email you send. Once you're happy with how your signature looks, click Save. This step is important because it ensures your signature is automatically added to all outgoing emails. To double check everything, create a test reply to see how the signature appears. If you want to make changes, you can always go back to Preferences and edit it anytime. And that's it. You've successfully added an email signature in Zoho Desk, making your customer communication more consistent and professional. Thanks for watching and happy working in Zoho Desk.